Hello, happy Independence Day, all of you. This is your founder and director of Vikas Career Academy. So finally, we reached the Bangalore branch. So you can see here, this is our branch. You can see this is a circle of, Chandra Layout circle, and here you can see flag. So this is the highest flagpole in Bangalore, 215 feet height. So just now, flag hosted by our beloved MP, Mr. Krishnappa. So I am here. I want to show you our institution. This is our decoration, today's decoration of Independence Day, and as well as opening ceremony of Vikas Career Academy, Bangalore branch. So please come with me. I can show you. This is of course very good located Bangalore branch. So here this is a classroom. So here we can accommodate 60 to 70 students, approximately 100 students we can accommodate. And as you see here, this is new board, Teachmate board. It is a beautiful Teachmate board. So 75 inches. So today only we have inaugurated, we have launched this board also because of your convenience. So I can teach you in an easy method, no doubt. So here comfortably we can sit, and no doubt 100 students we can sit here. So here, as you know, that we are not only teaching grammar and spoken English, so we are teaching computer skills also, and as well as public speaking and body language and other skills. So it will help you for job also. As you know, in Bangalore there are MNC companies. There are 6,000 MNC companies are in Bangalore. So many companies are required good candidate, trained candidate. So we have come to Bangalore here because of students. So most of the students asked me to come to Bangalore and have a branch. And in fact, they wanted to have communications classes and PD, and as is public speaking, and no doubt their personality development also. And of course, because of students force, we have come to Bangalore. And of course, from today onwards, we have started this new branch. So who are interested for communication skills and as well as their public speaking and body language and personality development, at the same time, job placement also. So we are going to help you 100% placement over here. So I have tied up with many companies. There are many HRs. They are going to come here and they are going to take interview. So definitely you will get a job in Bangalore. So no doubt, please come as early as possible. We are going to start the new batch from Monday itself, this coming Monday, from 17th of August. So you can come and see me. So this is a very comfortable classroom, and of course Teachmate. There are a lot of benefits here. We can use this Google and all. So Google we can use, and no doubt YouTube also. So there are many facilities here. So definitely it is very useful for you people. So this is because of all we have made it for you people. So please take use it of. So this is, so I can use any color and write here. So this is, I can write easily and I can show you. So this is all facilities from our side, no doubt. Most important thing is result and as well as job placement. So once again, wish you happy independence, 79th independence, all of you. Thank you very much.